Temporary house?
Temporary house.
Yep.
And
So
for
you guys.
Last week.
So you guys, we're gonna be in this house for a couple weeks, and then we're gonna be in a hotel,
Yeah.
and then another hotel,
Guys, we gotta go inside.
and then in our house. So let's go inside. Let's go, Trin. Let's show them.
Whoa! Dad!
What?
Look, there's no roof.
Oh my goodness. What?
It's raining on us.
Oh my goodness, you guys, there is no roof in this place. Whoa.
Good thing we can sit.
We have a giant rock.
We got
garden.
rocks in our house.
Guys, good thing we can sit.
Yeah, good thing we can sit. All right, so a bunch of plants and some rocks. All right, let's go in the next door.
I have an idea what could be this.
What?
For animals. This could be a bird cage.
Okay, let's catch some birds. Let's catch some
And
birds.
lizards. And lizards.
Okay, birds and lizards can fly in or crawl in, and then we can have them. All right, next. Oh, here's the kitchen.
Perfect.
This is for Mom to make us food.
Let's go see some
Hey,
more
Trin.
house.
Trin, look at these. What are these?
Oh, they look like a giant light bulbs.
Like giant light bulbs, huh?
Hello, hello,
Hello.
hello.
All right, so there's our kitchen. Whoa, what is that? Whoa.
There's a hole.
There's another hole in the ceiling.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. There's holes everywhere. There's good.
Whoa. This is ginormous.
Okay, so we got the first room that we got into. It's got 2 beds and a TV. Who wants this room?
Me. Us.
You guys want it?
Yes, we want
Okay,
it.
you.
Puppy pictures.
There's puppy pictures.
Puppy pictures. Look at that dog. He's wearing a sombrero.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. All right.
Papa.
Okay, maybe you girls can have this one.
Yay. Let's go check some more rooms.
Let's do it. Madison, lead the way.
Oh, and here.
Okay, what's this room? Oh, laundry room. Another room for Mom.
Here's our bathroom.
Oh, bathroom. Oh my goodness, there's a tub and a sink and everything.
Dad, there's a window in the bathroom.
Oh.
I want to go to the bathroom with the window in front of it. Shut it. I think it's the other one.
Shut it. Should we shut it?
Yeah, shut it.
Whoa.
I didn't know we'd have that in my bathroom.
What?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's leave
Okay,
Trin in
let's
here.
go.
Okay, bye Trin, do your thing. See ya. Oh, okay. All right, next. Hey, look, there's a plant. Hey, you guys are watching. Count how many plants are in this house.
This one looks super cool.
This
Plants!
is a plant room because there's plants on the bed, and there's some more plants. I don't know how many we've seen so far, but tell me down below when we're done how many there are in this house.
Guys, is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
I think
Is there 5? I think there's 100 in this house.
I think we should count them all. That way we know if you guys give us the right answer or not. But there's 6 already right over there.
Quit giving them the answers, Mom.
Guys, we already found 2, and
Okay.
now we found 3.
Oh, I think, should we count each one as a plant? Maybe just each pot is a plant. So that would be like 1, not
That's
3.
another plant.
No.
In case you guys missed them, there's outside. There's more. Ooh, don't forget that little guy
cool.
over there.
Oh, look
All
at
right.
the cool wall art over there.
We all found 3 beds right now. Hey guys, look, you can sit.
It's the world.
The world.
Hey, wait. Look. Kiss. And the world's biggest pack of gum. Who wants a piece?
Me.
Who wants a piece? Okay,
Me.
open it up. Oh, wait. There's no gum. There's no gum.
Ah!
Oh, no
Guys,
gum.
that is not fake.
Oh, hey, there's a door here. Let's go out this door.
Cool. That
All
leads
right.
to the same. That leads
Oh no, this room doesn't have a roof on it either.
We're in the same room, Dad.
Oh yeah, okay, well then let's go. Hey, there's this door over here. Let's go in this one. All right, so this is the most important room. We got all our computers and tablets and everything charging here because we use the internet a little bit when we are YouTubers, right, Trin? Yeah.
Guys,
What?
let's go find another room.
Look, more
Wait.
plants.
Oh, plant.
Ouchie.
And look, we just did this awesome 3-marker challenge. I did it all by myself.
No, you didn't.
Guys, let's go find another room.
Hey, we already went that way.
Guys, let's go check another room.
Okay.
Wait, we already went this way. Never mind.
Any plants in there? Any plants? That is like the plantless room. You have the plantless room, Trin.
Here, guys, and here.
All right. So this is our living room.
We got more light bulbs.
More light bulbs. That's kind of weird. TV. We got some more plants and a plant. That's a fake cactus. There's a plant. There's a plant. There's a plant.
Plant.
Oh man, another llama. That's some more plants.
More plants over here.
Oh man, more plant. Whoa, Madison, don't touch the plant, girl.
Well, Dad, it's fake.
No, it's a real plant. Look.
Well, Dad,
Oh.
it's fake.
Okay, you're right this time. That's the only time you're gonna be right.
Especially there's no soil.
No soil.
No soil.
Look at that
No
face. Look at that smile.
Look at that missing tooth.
Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Ah! Hey, this must be my room, bedroom.
Look, I'm growing.
Hey, there's a hole in my roof.
Hey!
Whoa.
That's
Hey, that's our bathroom. All right, you two.
taking a bath. I'm taking a shower.
Okay, bye. Oh, more plants. Man. And then there's outside.
Guys,
What?
look, more plants.
We saw those. So you guys, tell us down below what you want to see us do in this house. Should we do a Hello Neighbor?
No, guys.
Or should we do something even crazier?
Guys,
some
I
ideas.
know. Milkshakes.
We already did that. Remember a few days ago we had ice cream for my birthday? That was so fun, huh? All right, outside. Ah! All right, what's out here, girls?
A swimming pool.
Oh man, oh man.
Don't get too close.
All right,
Nice lounge chairs.
all right. So we got mama spot over there. This is for the fun people. You gonna get a tan?
Hey, look, there's a duck in the pool.
You need a tan? Madison, there's a duck. Right over there, look.
Oh wait, that's the queen of pool.
Okay. Quack, quack.
Do we look at here?
We got our very own airplane up there. Man, who else has an airplane in their backyard? It's crazy. All right, we got some plants.
Guys, I know what we should do.
We got some strawberries over here.
Guys!
Wait, my girls. Whoa, we got some strawberries. Let's see if I can find some strawberries. Any good strawberries?
Daddy!
Oh, wait a minute. That's not a strawberry. Whoa, what in the world? What in the world is that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, you guys, check this out. We got a little lizard in here.
Daddy,
Little bit of lizard.
Dad.
Wait, Jason's got another one? Oh man, okay, he
There's
catches
another
that one.
here,
They're
guys.
fast, guys.
Madison, do you want to hold one? Oh, come on, Miss Madison. She wants to be your friend. Oh my goodness, Madison, look.
You're holding.
Oh no. Ah, another one's running.
It jumped on her.
Wait a minute,
I
wait.
think it's on her shorts.
Oh my goodness.
Goodness, look. It's right there on
That one wants to be your
shorts.
Trin's friend. Okay, Madison, bring yours over here. Look, two little lizards. One
Two
likes
little lizards, guys.
one likes Madison, one likes Trin. Here, come here, little guy. Come here.
He's gonna go get you,
Hold
Trin.
on, put it on your hands, Trin. Come here, little
cute.
fella. Oh my God! Ah! Oh no! All right, little fella, come here.
I want him.
Come
Oh,
here.
look, and Madison's is.
Let's go leave out my tattoo.
There you go.
Oh, that little guy. He doesn't want to let go.
All right, guys. So we caught two little lizards. So we're gonna have these girls give them some names. Madison, what are you gonna name yours?
Cutie.
Cutie. Okay, so we got
Cutie car.
Cutie car, and what's this one? Patootie car.
I don't know. I think you guys have to help me. Trin, tell us down below. Trin, I got a good name for that one. Shoppies.
All right, guys. Tell us down below what should we name Trinity's little lizard. Should we let him go? Let's go put him back in the strawberries where they live. Okay.
Bye, little guy.
He doesn't want to get off. He never want. Trin, he doesn't want to let go of you.
No.
There he goes.
Hey. Oh man, that's crazy, girls. What do you think, Trin? What's better, the pool or the lizards?
Everything. I want to take a little dip in the pool.
You want to take a little dip in the pool, huh? Madison, what do you think?
I'm tanning.
You're gonna just tan? You're gonna lay back and tan? Yeah.
Well, guys, I hope you like those lizards. Give you thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn notifications. See you guys